So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I use this freezer juicer to make orange and carrot juice plus tropical juice. If you have this trending juicer at home, like, you are good to go. You don't need to spend your money in buying juice anymore. You need to make it right in your own kitchen. So as you can see, I have carrots, I have different fruits as well, which I'm going to be using to make the tropical juice. I have 5 fruits for this tropical juice. I have pineapple, I have mango, I have orange, I have apple, and the other fruit I don't know the name, but I love to eat it anyway because it tastes nice. So I'm just going to quickly wash the fruits, then peel off the pineapple, cut off the mango, keep them aside, proceed to the carrot, peel off the carrot because I love to peel my carrot before I juice, and the same, peel off the orange as well before I proceed with the juicing. Honestly, if you have juice machine at home, it makes your life easy. It helps you to eat healthy and stay healthy. Ever since I changed my juice machine, like, I have been juicing almost every day. This very brand I bought is really nice, unlike the old one I have. It juice your juice very well, make sure it brings out all the water and leaving the chaff alone. But the other one don't squeeze the water from the fruit all. You can still feel water on it, but this particular one squeeze it very well. And guess what, you can also use it to make ice cream. So during the summer, you will not lack ice cream at home, healthy ice cream. You use your fruit to make your own ice cream at home. If you don't have juice machine at home, like, you are missing on healthy diet. Instead of me to buy juice in the shop, which is a little bit expensive, I'll just do it in my own space with my own fruit, no added sugar. This is really amazing, guys, and it's not that expensive anyway. I bought it about 133 pounds, which is very good. I bought it in Amazon. I'm going to be leaving the link. If you like to purchase this machine as well, go and buy it. It's very nice. So I don't sell product anywhere, but whenever I buy something, I just like to market it for others to buy as well. Guess what? Your juice can last about 5 days in the fridge. Once you have constant light, you are good to go. Like, bye to sugary juice from the shop. You do it in the comfort of your own home. If you're eating, you just want apple juice, you just bring out 1 apple or 2 apple, put it in the juice machine, juice it, and then you are good to go. Oh my God. So this is one easy way of having your 5 fruits every blessed day. Like you can see, I have 5 different fruits, which I'm going to blend them together, store them in the freezer, and it's going to last for 5 days in the freezer. So every blessed day, I have my 5 fruits in my system. This is beautiful. I'm just loving this. So guys, I'll just proceed in washing the carrot, and then I'm going to peel off the back. I don't like to juice my carrots with the back of it. Like, I feel like it doesn't taste nice. So I always peel off the back before I use it, before I juice it anyway. So I'm just going to quickly peel it off.
Step into the kitchen where the magic's made, from spicy jollof fries to fresh marmalade. Every flavor tells a story near and far. In Oma's kitchen where you're the star.
There's laughter in the seasoning, a dance in every dish. Pepper soup so spicy to your grandmama's wish. Her secret blend of spices brings warmth to the room. In Oma's kitchen, comfort chases gloom.
Oh, Oma's kitchen, a flavorful embrace, where stories blend with spices, memories find their place. Each dish a celebration from the heart and soul. In Oma's kitchen, we all find our role.
Hear the sizzle on the stovetop, a symphony in pans, while the garlic mingles softly with the bold plantains. Every bite a journey.
So it is time to start juicing my fruit. This juice machine is really beautiful, guys. I love the way it squeezes out the whole water from the fruit, unlike the one I was using. And the sound as well, the sound is very low, compare with the one I was using. I can juice in the middle of the night and the neighbor will not complain about noise.
Step into the kitchen where the magic's made, from spicy jello fresh to fresh marmalade. Every flavor tells a story near and far. The BG Homeless Kitchen, where you're the star. There's laughter.
Just take a look. It really looks nice, guys. If you've bought tropical juice before, you understand what I'm saying. I'm just going to quickly transfer it into my can and then I'm going to be storing it in the fridge. Like I said, it can last for 5 days. I've tried it before. It lasted for 5 days and it's still nice. So next, I'm going to be juicing the carrot and the orange. This is one of the juice I love to have. Carrot and orange juice really tastes nice. If you haven't tried before, try it. You are going to love it. It really look nice, guys. Just like the ones I used to buy in the shop. Just take a look at this. Oh my goodness, it really looked nice. I'm going to transfer it into the can as well, and then I'll store all of them in the fridge.
Step into the kitchen where the magic's made, from spicy jello fries to fresh marmalade. Every flavor tells us.
So whenever you want to enjoy your juice, you just bring them out from the fridge, pour it in the cup, and then that is it. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like it. See you all on my next one. Bye.